Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. I just wanted to show you guys something really quickly because I upgraded from Canva, the free version, to Canva Pro. And so I just wanted to show you guys some things because I'm not sure people know that you can upgrade. You can get Canva Pro for free. I think it's 30 days, and you can test it out and decide if you still want it. Um, but, basically go into Canva, click your creative design, which is what I typically do, which gives me my canvas that I'm working on. There's all kinds of templates and styles and different things that you can work with. But typically, once you go to your elements, that's where you get into what you can do differently with free versus the Canva free versus the pro version. Another thing is when you go to resize. So you see I chose 8.5 by 11, but I can do things like click on this now, just click resize, or it said copy and resize, which will open a whole new tab for me. Those were things that I couldn't do, or at least I didn't know I could do in the free version, but the pro version definitely allows you to do that. So that's some of the benefits of having Canva Pro. Again, you can try it for free. I'm not any type of Canva affiliate. I just like using it. But you see here where you see pro at the bottom. These are things, if you see something like that you would typically have to pay for. But because I have the pro version, I can go in here, click on them, and I don't have to worry about it. I was looking at some ideas for purse templates, and so I could go here, I can save this, I can send this to Cricut, I can use this as a print then cut. I'm sure Silhouette and Brother Scan and Cut users can try this as well. But these are some of the things you can do when you do have Canva Pro. Again, like I said, I notice a lot of differences in once you go into the element sections, because that shows you, what's free, what's not free. If you can type in different things, like you see, I was looking for some different things because I was kind of curious to see what Canva has, because I typed this in one day and found all these things that I didn't know they had. So it's kind of interesting to go in and see when you're looking up certain items what pops up and what you can get. So there to me, there's a lot of benefits. I use this a lot for various things in my life, but I use this a lot, and there's a lot of really cute things that you can do with it. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly some of the things in here. Again, the free from the not free, because everything with a crown is a pro, something that needs to be paid for. Now, if I did not have the pro version of Canva and I clicked on this, it would put all kinds of lines across it and say Canva, Canva, Canva everywhere, so you can't use it without the permissions. So keep that in mind, because it's not going to show you that on my screen because it's paid for, but if you don't have it, that's how it's going to look for you. But again, try it out, see if you like it. I'm pretty sure you can cancel it, but it was something that I liked, I wanted to keep, and there's lots of cute things in here. I'm not really into the style, but that's pretty cute. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys have a great day.